Hai,
Hai,
Assalamualaikum.
my name is Nur Syukra binti Muhammad Yusuf.
My name is Nur Syamani binti Bistamam.
Hi, my name is Nur Syahira binti Zulkifli.
My name is Salia Najiha binti Naazri.
Hi, my name is Siti Nadia binti Muhammad. In this video, we are going to explain about integer or linear programming. Let's check it out.
What is actually an integer programming or an integer linear programming? ILP. ILP or integer linear programming is a mathematical optimization or feasibility program where some or all of the variables must be integer. The objective function and the constraints are linear. So, in this video, we are going to explain logical constraint using binary or 0-1 integer variable. Okay, now let's look at on a case scenario. Suppose that a company have 5 available projects to choose from, and we can define their decisions variables as follow. xi equal to 1 when the project is selected, and xi equal to 0 when the project is not selected, where I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, let's consider these requirements. If project 3 is selected, then project 5 cannot be selected. Exactly one of project 2 and project 3 must be selected. If project 4 is selected, then project 2 must also be selected. If project 1 is selected, then project 5 must also be selected, and vice versa.
For now, consider this requirement. If project 3 is selected, project 5 cannot be selected. In a sense, 3 and 5 cannot coexist. So we write x3 plus x5 less than or equal to 1. That is, we can have only x3 or only x5, and we can decide to have neither, as long as we can select both at the same time. The condition is satisfied. This is referred to as a mutually exclusive constraint. You can think of it as trying to attain 2 classes that are running at the same time. Exactly one of project 2 and 3 must be selected. This is actually a mutually exclusive constraint case in which we are forced to choose one of project 2 and project 3. So we write x2 plus x3 equal to 1. That is, we can have only project 2 or only project 3. We can have neither, and we can have both. This is often referred as a multiple choice constraint. So you can think of it as a true-false question that you must answer before you proceed with the rest of an exam.
Next, if project 4 is selected, then project 2 must also be selected. There is, project 4 is contingent on project 2. 4 depends on 2. So, we write x4 less than or equal x2, or x2 greater than or equal x4. It's called a conditional or contingent constraint. Think of it as need to take its prerequisite cos 2 before being allowed to take cos 4. You can take 4 if you have 2. You can take 2 without 4. You can take neither 2 nor 4, but you cannot take 4 without 2. This is also written as x4 minus x2 less than or equal 0. Next, if project 1 is selected, project 5 must also be, and vice versa. In this case, we write x1 equal x5, or x1 minus x5 equals 0. There is, if we selected any of the two, must also select the other. This called a co-requisite constraint. In a sense, 1 and 5 are equivalent. There is, we either selected both or select neither of them, or we can select one without the other.
Let's examine more. First, no more than 3 projects in total must be selected. So, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 has to be less than or equal to 3. Second, at least 2 of 3 projects must be selected. As for that, x1 plus x2 plus x3 has to be greater or equal to 2. Third, project 4 must be selected. This simply means that x4 equal to 1. Next, select project 3 or 5 or both. In another word, select at least one of project 3 and 5.
Okay, let's take a look at even more. If project 4 is not selected, then project 2 must also not be selected. This is another conditional case where project 4 depends on project 2. So, x2 less than equal to x4. Next, project 3 and project 4 must be selected together. This is co-requisite case where project 3 and project 4 must be in and out together. So, x3 equal to x4. Lastly, project 3 and project 4 must be selected but not both. Another one, project 3 and project 4 must be exactly selected, one of each. This is example of multiple choice case. So, S3 plus S4 equal to 1. Thank you for watching.